Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to display your trending products on WordPress blocksy. We're on our homepage here, and let's say we have a web store, and we want to display our trending items here so that when our users log in for the first time in the day, week, month, or whenever, they'll be able to see what trending products there are over here. Now, we're going to make use of the trending post feature, and if we scroll down here on our site, I already have it enabled, we have trending now. Okay, so I mean this one over here, right? And we're going to use this extension here and bring it up over here and make it display products instead of posts. So to get started, we're going to go over to our top toolbar here and click on Customize. And once we click on that, it should take us to the WordPress Customizer. And the same thing on our preview. We've scrolled down here and we can find our trending now. And on our left-hand sidebar over here, let's scroll down here and we'll see extensions and trending posts. Let's click on that. And we have a few things over here. So we have our general tab and our design tab. But first things first, let's bring it up. So let's start from the bottom here. We have before footer. Let's put it after header. Okay. And then once this reloads, this should be up on the very tippity top. Okay. And it's no longer here. If we scroll back up or used our scroll to top button here, you can see we now have our trending posts over here, and you can see it's clipping into our transparent header. So we can we're gonna have to space this out a bit, and I think the best way to do this is to change up our header. So before we continue any further, let's go to header and headers, global header. Let's make it not transparent, and it should push it down. Okay, there we go. So this is just for this one, right? And let's go back to our trending posts here. And okay, so let's get started for real now. We have our header here, we have our main body content over here, and we have our trending posts extension. So we want it to be for products. So we can type in hot products, right? And then we can change the size of our font here. We can make it H2, and it's going to make it a bit bigger. Or H1 maybe, extra big. If that does anything. Well, it actually should, because it's H1. Oh, anyway, let's scroll down here, and then we have module, title, icon source. We can change our icon here to a custom one, and when it reloads, it should be the fire icon. There you go. Or we can just change it up here from one of the things we like. I'm fine with this default one over here. And then next, in order to configure it for our products, we have post type. We have posts, and now we can select products. And now we have taxonomies. We can put a custom one in, and then we can put specific items. They don't actually have to be trending, but they could be specific. So if you wanted to push certain items, like you could give a friendly way of saying these items are trending, but they actually aren't. So let's reload this just to put it back together. Okay. And then we have trending from all time, or last 24 hours, last month, or whatever. It's going to be in order for however far people click on them. But since nobody really visits the site, as it's really just for examples, let's just put it in all time. Okay, and now we have our image size, thumbnail. We can make it bigger or smaller. Container visibility, we can enable or disable this on desktop, tablet, and mobile. For example, if we opened our homepage on mobile, we might not want to put this on there because it might take up too much space. Okay, And then for display conditions, for instance, we wanted to show this only on our shop. We could do that, but if we wanted to show it on our homepage or our whole website, that's where we would mess with this, okay? And then now for design, we can change our title font. Let's make it sans serif font. We can make it a bit bigger if we wanted to, right? We can change the module color, post title font. We can make it bigger or smaller. Actually, I'll make it a bit bigger. Just a bit, okay. And then the arrow colors for here, the container background, let's make it a bit darker. Okay, and then inner spacing, right? Okay, and that's what we can do for our trending products. Now that we're happy with that, we can click on Publish to save our changes. And we've successfully changed our trending posts extension to a trending products extension. So let's head over to our main site here. Okay, now let's reload it. And now you can see we have our trending products on our header, or well, after our header in WordPress blocksy. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.